Every one of us has that drawer of half-broken gadgets we regret buying. Yeah, this list is the fix. Only the ones that earn their spot. This is GEARHOUND. I'm Marcus. I dig through hundreds of gadgets every week, and only the ones that actually earn their spot make it here. Today's lineup: 17 smart finds that'll upgrade your daily setup without burning your wallet. From AI wearables to gear you didn't know existed, every single one solves a real problem. Links in the description if you want to grab any. Hit subscribe. Let's get into it. Ever hit black ice at 60 miles an hour and had that split second where your brain does the math on what's about to happen? Real talk, that's the moment this thing was built for. Out of every glove box gadget I scanned this month, this one made the cut without a second thought. Meet the car emergency kit. 3000 lumen beam, steel window breaker tip, razor-guarded seatbelt cutter. Solar charged so it's ready when you need it most. Toss it in the door pocket. Forget about it. Until the one day you can't. This one's not about hype. It's about walking away from something you almost didn't. Imagine walking through Tokyo, looking at a menu, and just knowing what everything says without pulling out your phone. That's not sci-fi anymore, that's Tuesday. I dig through this AI wearable space constantly, most of it's noise. This one earned its spot the honest way. Meet the Abosi AI smart glasses. 1200p video with 6-axis stabilization. Built-in chat GPT that recognizes what you're looking at. Real-time translation across 40+ languages. IP64 water rated, polarized UV, 400 lenses. From the outside, they just look like clean sunglasses. From the inside, you're carrying a translator, a photographer, and an assistant, all at once. You leave the house. Your dog looks at you like you're never coming back. You feel it all day. Every pet owner knows that specific brand of guilt. This one's the fix. Meet the AIONIOS AT05. 150-day standby battery, 1080p night vision, two-way audio so you can actually talk back. And here's the wild part, it moves. Full sentry mode, patrols the room on wheels, follows movement. 2026 Red Dot and IF Design Award winner, by the way. Set it on the floor, sync the app, go live your life. Come home to a dog who saw your face all day. That storage full notification hitting mid-shoot when you're 200 miles from home? Yeah, that specific brand of frustration. Most SSDs in this size class are noise. This one isn't. Meet the ORICO K20 Mini. 1 terabyte, 2000 megabytes per second read speed. Magnetic MagSafe back, literally snaps to your iPhone like it belongs there. Record straight 4K 120 FPS, ProRes HDR without a stutter, no cables, no adapters, no setup screen asking you 5 questions. Snap it on, hit record. Costs less than a phone case with a stand, carries a whole film's worth of footage. Coming home to an empty apartment on a Tuesday night at 10 p.m., kettle on. Silence hits different. I don't put weird gadgets in the lineup unless they solve something real. This one caught me off guard. Meet the ropet KAMOMO. Desktop AI companion built specifically for anxiety relief. Reacts to touch. Reacts to your voice. Learns your patterns over time. It's not a pet. It's not a toy. It's something in between, designed by a team that took the loneliness problem seriously. If someone in your life talks to an empty room too often, this one's worth a look. No shots fired at cats, they still win on cuddles. Okay, halfway checkpoint. If you're still here, the next 4 are the utility players. And the one right after? That's where I want your opinion in the comments. That moment you sit down to work, reach for your phone to set a timer, and 40 minutes later you're watching a guy fix a lawnmower on reels. Yeah, every one of us? This one made the cut for one reason: it kills the phone step entirely. Meet the Pomodoro Cube. 6 preset intervals, 3, 5, 10, 15, 30, 60 minutes. Twist to the number you want. It starts. Silent mode, vibrate, or audible chime. That's it. That's the whole tool. No app, no login, no suggested content. If you've ever wondered why you can't focus anymore, the answer's in your pocket. This is what replaces it. Quick question for you, drop it in the comments. Would you rather spend 20 bucks on something dead simple that works every day, or 200 bucks on something loaded with features you might use twice a year? Tell me which camp you're in. Genuinely curious. You spot something worth capturing across the street, a bird, a face, the way the light hits a building, and you zoom in on your phone and it turns into digital soup. Every phone photographer knows the pain. This one earned its spot for exactly that. Meet the APEXEL 6X Telephoto lens. 144mm equivalent zoom. 10 glass optical stack, actual glass, not plastic. Universal clip works on iPhone, Samsung, Pixel, pretty much whatever's in your pocket. Clip it on. Zoom in. Get the shot you actually saw. Costs less than a phone upgrade. Does what the phone upgrade promised and didn't deliver. Sitting at a desk for 8 hours doing damage your body doesn't tell you about until Saturday morning. That specific stiffness that makes you feel 20 years older than you are. Most heating pads are honest but slow. This one hits different. Meet the InVarme neck and shoulder pad. Dual-layer graphene heat 160 degrees Fahrenheit at max. 4-hour auto shut-off so you can't cook yourself. Fully machine washable. Wraps around neck and shoulders like a scarf. Plug it in, wear it while you work. Feel 20 years younger by dinner. Cheaper than one massage session. Runs every day for months. Your kid asks you why the sky is blue, and you give the answer that sounds good instead of the one that's true. Every parent's been there. This one solves it a different way. It doesn't answer questions. It makes them ask better ones. Meet the 1000x Kids Microscope. 2.0-inch IPS display, so multiple kids can watch at once, no squinting through a lens. Photo and video recording, 1000 times magnification, pointed at an ant, a leaf, a drop of water. Watch a curious kid go quiet in the exact way you want them to go quiet. Costs less than a video game, delivers years more. Landing at Heathrow at 6 a.m., phone at 4%, and realizing the adapter you packed doesn't fit anything at the terminal. Every traveler's had that panic once, and only once. Meet the Universal Travel Adapter. Works in over 200 countries, UK, EU, Australia, most of Asia. 3 USB ports plus USB-C. 2.4 to 3.0 amp fast charge. Rated 4.7 stars across nearly 2,500 reviews. The receipts are in the wild. Pack it once. Never think about it again. Small enough to lose in a jacket pocket. Big enough to save your entire first travel day. Standing in a subway platform in July when the AC's broken and your shirt starts giving up on you. Yeah, that kind of heat needs an answer. Out of every personal cooling gadget I scanned this summer, this one climbed the list. Meet the Turbo Fan. 5 speeds. 3-in-1 folding design, handheld, desk, neck. Built-in mist function for that extra 10 degrees of cool, USB rechargeable, fits in a bag, weighs almost nothing, pull it out on the platform. Watch strangers give you the "where did you get that" look. That look is worth the price alone. Almost done, but hold your strongest wow for the final pick. Trust me on this one. Hasson 7 is the reason I built the whole video around this lineup. Day 2 of a festival. Phone at 12%. Sun's still up. Every festival goer knows that specific math problem. Out of the 2-in-1 gadgets I dig through in this space, this one keeps coming back to the top. Meet the JISULIFE Fan. 4,500 mAh battery. Fan that runs 37 to 46 hours on a single charge. Doubles as a power bank for your phone, triples as a flashlight. 4.6 stars across 1,689 reviews, the crowd already voted. Clip it to your belt, cool yourself, charge your phone, light your way home, 1 gadget, 3 saves. Your mom lives 3 states away. Your kid does something you'd give anything for her to see. You send it. She never opens the text. Every family knows that specific quiet distance. This one closes it. Meet the FRAMEO Frame, 10.1-inch IPS touchscreen, 32 gigabytes of storage. You take a photo, it shows up on grandma's frame in seconds through the app. No setup, no password wrestling. No, how do I open this again? Grandparents figure it out on day 1. Costs less than a nice dinner, delivers years of moments they'd otherwise miss. Wearing a chest strap that chafes for an hour into every workout, or trusting the wrist monitor that's off by 15 beats when it matters. Every serious trainee has picked their poison. This one skips the choice entirely. Meet the Scosche Rhythm Plus 2. Optical sensor with green and yellow LEDs accurate across every skin tone. Dual band ANT Plus and Bluetooth pairs with Peloton, Zwift, Strava, Wahoo, all of them. 24-hour battery. Straps to your forearm, no chest, no wrist, real numbers. Real training, no excuses hiding in bad data. Trailhead at 6 a.m. Cold air. Instant coffee packet in your bag. That's the ceiling of coffee on the go, until it wasn't. Most portable espresso gadgets in this space are underpowered toys. This one isn't. Meet the Hydrofast Portable Espresso. 7,800 mAh battery, heats its own water. USB-C recharge. Works with ground coffee and capsules. Most rivals lock you into one or the other. Load it. Press the button. 2 minutes later, actual espresso, on the trail, in the car, on a plane, if you're feeling brave. Costs less than a month of daily cafe runs. Pays for itself before your next paycheck. Lying in bed at 1 a.m. with your brain running 3 simulations of tomorrow at once. Every high-functioning person knows that specific ceiling. Most wellness gadgets in this space are honest but overclaimed. This one has actual clinical grounding. Meet the Pulsetto FIT version 2. European-developed vagus nerve stimulation. 4 minutes a session. App-guided programs for stress, sleep, and focus. Portable. No pills. No side effects logged so far. Strap it on. Hit start. Feel your shoulders drop. This isn't magic, it's neuroscience with a battery. Costs less than one therapy session designed to work alongside them, not replace them. That meeting where 3 important things were said and you remember exactly none of them by Friday. Every professional has felt that quiet failure. This one's the fix, and it's the reason I built this whole lineup. Meet the NeoSapien Neo one, wearable AI assistant that listens, summarizes, and pulls out action items automatically. 140 plus languages, meeting notes without typing, task extraction without asking. And here's the part that reset how I think about the whole category. No monthly subscription, ever. Rivals like Plod, Otter, Limitless all charge a fee every month. This one is a one-time buy. Own it forever. This isn't a gadget, it's a second brain that respects your wallet. Grab it before the market catches up. That's 17 smart finds everyone earned at Spot. Drop your favorite in the comments and hit subscribe if you want more lineups like this every week. I'm Marcus, GEARHOUND out.